Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Google and opening Gemini or Google Images so the model can use your preferences. Choose a target style, realistic, vibrant, pastel, or cinematic, and pick an aspect ratio like 16:9. Once done, upload or select 3 reference photos and list keywords for color, mood, and focal subject. This gives Gemini context and increases hit rate. Make sure to include concrete terms like golden hour or high contrast, so the search and suggestions match your intent. You now refine prompts inside Gemini. Layer a base subject with style, mood, and technical tweaks so results are focused. Ask Gemini for step-by-step edits, exposure, color grade, sharpening, and precise crops, so you can apply changes manually or with suggested filters. Once done, request variations and small value tweaks like +0, 5 exposure, or -10 saturation to compare. Make sure to preview each variation and keep notes on which tweak improved your image. That way you build a reproducible editing recipe. You finish by exporting the final image at the resolution and file type you need, like JPEG for web or TIFF for print, and double-check technical issues such as artifacts, clipped highlights, or oversmoothed skin tones. Once done, perform targeted fixes, local dodging, healing, or noise reduction, guided by Gemini's suggestions. If the output is off, simplify the prompt, remove conflicting modifiers, or swap reference photos. That troubleshooting step often reveals the conflicting instruction that ruined the edit, so try one change at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.